Quattro.
All right, we got our alternator locked, loaded, ready to roll. We're just gonna test it, make sure it works or doesn't work. I'm assuming doesn't is gonna be the order of the day around here. This beautiful Judge 2 alternator and starter tester, manufactured by OTC, given to us compliments of Alan and Brandon over at Mustang Country International. For all your Mustang part needs, call Alan. They got it from Pep Boys going out of business back in 2020. They never used it. We've used it a lot. They donated it to us to handle for Great Autos. All Great Autos members can use it free. Malays Motors members can use it free. And then we get to use it too. So, all right. Test alternator. Let's go test/core. 1351. All right. Install pin B. Yep, we have that. Connect adapter N05. We have that, as you can see. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Mount alternator, attach belt, positive and ground, close the door. Got it. Start. Ooh, test setup. Okay, we already know that. Start. Let's see if it works.
See if it'll shut itself off again.
Oh my. AC power is off. Wow. Is it that dead that it trips that? That's crazy if it did.
I was say. It'd say yes, no, left, right, up, down.
We're still rolling, yeah?
Yeah.
Nope, it tripped it. It tripped the breaker.
That's crazy.
Line voltage dropped below 90. Test failed. All right, let's go back and let's try it again. Let's keep the pay light off. Let's see. I mean, if it's oh, wow. Yeah. If it's bogging it down to where it can't do it.
I said we ran some other ones with no problems before,
Yeah.
so it's not happy.
It's hot, and it wasn't even hot on the car. Yeah. Okay, so we're replacing this. Now, this one is under warranty, but of course, nobody local has it except one other vendor. So I need to call one vendor and tell them, hey, situation. So there we go. All right, we're going to get it done, and then John can come get his car.
Yay.